Mysore. Okay. What do you do? Are you a student or are you working? Okay. Which department are you working? Government, private, IT sector? IT sector. How long have you been working in there? 7 years. Wow. Then, do you like your profession? Okay. What is your qualification? Oh my goodness. You have a lots of degree on your hand and it is my pleasure, privilege to interact with you. Okay. Then within 7, did you get any promotion? Okay. Mm-hmm. Wow. Then right now you are in team leader, right? Wow. Then I think you talk with your colleagues, your boss, and your Miss Higher Authority inside office in English, right? Okay. Then no need to practice English speaking here. You just here to interact with language learner, right? Okay. How many languages do you know? Mm-hmm. Wow. Then you are a polyglot. Thoda thoda Hindi means do you know how to greeting part or what kind of you know in Hindi? Tell me. If I ask in English, then you reply in Hindi, right? Right, right. You people speak in Hindi because you know we heard that kind of sound, then we feel good, right? Because broken Hindi is good for listening, right? Right, because if you talk with my mother tongue, then you cannot speak perfectly like me, right? Obviously, you speak miss your mother tongue influence in that language, right? Then that kind of sound is a miss different, right? Then that is a miss a little bit we can evaluate you are not a Hindi speaker. Definitely you are from south part or east part of western part, that kind of, right? We can figure out which part are they, right, according to their sound accent, right? Do you talk with anyone in Hindi? Do you have a Hindi friends inside office? Do you talk with them? Okay. Then you know, okay, you maximum you talk with English, Kannada, and Telugu, right? Okay, that's good. Is today holiday? Okay, what time do you go to office? What time do you come back from office? Okay, then miss, how long have you been working at home during? Pardon? Okay, then you no need to go to office, but if you attend any higher authority meeting, then it is a Google Meet, right? Okay, then if you suddenly want to go to outside, then do you inform your higher authority or how they know you are working or not through online? Okay, okay. If you want to go outside or if you have any urgent work, then you inform them, right? But you never get holiday in Sunday? Don't you get holiday? Within means within 1 week you get 2 days off, Saturday and Sunday, right? Okay, that's good. And you are from Mysore, but right now you are staying in Bangalore, right? Okay, then when you go your home, or right? Okay, only for festival, right? And because recently one incident happened in there, in one person killed one girl. She was from Bihar, I think so, in Bangalore, right? Yeah, yeah. But we got to know from social media that person from, I think, UP and that girl from Bihar, and both are working in IT sector in Bangalore, and she was in Indus, I think. Okay, Bengaluru. Okay, right now you are in Bangalore or Bengaluru. What? Bengaluru. Okay. How long have you been using this platform? 2 months. Okay. You just interact with language learner. You want to talk with them, right? Okay. Then how much time do you invest with the stranger per day? Okay. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. I got your point because you are working, you don't have time to talk with a stranger and you interact with them. If you get time or if you feel bored, then you interact with them, right? Okay, if you meet any kind of stranger, then do you talk with them in casual conversation or do you take any topic to discuss? Right, right. Right now, are you taking rest? Yeah. Okay. Then you are doing two work at once, right? Speaking